My video will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called MIMUS. My video is only for the educational purposes, though I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the data, and I'll give you also some recommendations on how to protect your files. So now you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without troubles. But sadly, because of certain leaks and certain vulnerabilities, this MIMUS ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this MIMUS ransomware. So this ransomware encrypts the data and damages the files considerably. You may trace some processes that can be related to this particular MIMUS ransomware. Obviously, these processes are extremely malicious. So this ransomware encrypts files and adds this special encrypted extension to the file names. It's not possible to use the files anymore, and if you remove this extension manually, this still does not fix the issue. We recommend you to immediately terminate any suspicious processes that could be related to this ransomware through Task Manager, and if you do that as soon as you can, this can help you save some of the files from being encrypted. Now, the fact that this MIMUS ransomware got into your computer could mean that the system is really vulnerable and infected. Definitely you need to remove this ransomware immediately, and we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It also works as anti-ransomware. It helps to protect your files actually ahead of time. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then after the program is successfully installed, start it, and the program will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware. It helps to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus that would help you to decrypt the files actually. Once again, please pay attention to the feature called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove this ransomware to protect your data in the future. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Consider upgrading to premium license, which will help you to always protect your data ahead of time.